Oh, hello.
What are you doing with that? Oh, you cut a
What I'm
banana?
doing with it?
Yeah.
You still remember about my lovely video, right?
Yeah.
About when I miscalculate
Mm-hmm.
picking up a banana.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I still remember that's a most miscalculation now.
Oh,
And
yeah.
now I will try to cut it in the perfect way.
Oh, that's
So,
right.
and after
So
that I will
you
make
will
some.
make something
That's right.
with this kind of
Banana.
banana tree?
Yeah. We only use the stem, guys.
Oh, you just need the stem.
Yeah. So, I think most of you didn't know what I'm going to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, just keep up with us, guys.
Oh, yeah.
But the first thing first, I need to cut this stem first.
Yeah.
The upper one.
Okay.
And after that, the below one. Because
The
I need
below one?
around 1 kilograms of stem.
Oh, that's a formula that you want to make?
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
I got a new formula, guys, and I never tried before. But
Mm-hmm.
there's many farmers that say
Oh.
it's going to be really helpful for all of our avocado plant
Yeah.
here. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's growing now.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm
fun.
amazed with that tree because how many?
That's. You still remember about that variety, right?
Yeah.
The singer of the Rolling Stone.
Yeah.
Who is he?
Mickey.
Yeah, Mike Jagger.
Mike Jagger. Oh,
We call
yeah.
it here Mickey.
Mickey.
So the second one, I need to cut the stem from below here.
All right.
The bottom one. Oh my god, it's really dense here.
Oh.
It's rough. I got it.
Come on, make it strong, guys.
Of course, I'm strong.
Oh.
We just need a little bit of momentum,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, I will.
But be careful, the knife is very sharp.
That's right. I know it, and I will try my best here.
Okay. Oh my God, you're very kind, guys. You show many new knowledge for your viewers.
Because in my mindset, I want to make all of the person knows about new knowledge every day.
Okay.
So that will be helpful to most of you guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you did it.
So it's perfect, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's
Because I'm not doing it in such a rush way.
okay.
And we got a nice stem of banana here.
Mm-hmm.
We will use it for something, guys.
Okay.
Here.
Okay then. Oh my God! Look at the jungle man, jungle boy.
Well, jungle boy, of course. I'm a Tarzan, you know.
Tarzan with a clutch.
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
And maybe another Tarzan, but Tarclute.
Clutch. Oh my God.
Look at it. If you didn't believe me that this now is sharp, guys.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh.
It's gone.
It's
It's
cut it off. My God. Careful, guys.
Yeah. Come here. Here's the room.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Can you do that? Maybe we'll need to
Oh my gosh.
use that road.
Yeah. All right.
Come here.
I'll do
Look at
that.
it now.
Okay. I got it.
I'm such a poetic builder now.
Oh my.
You need any help?
Oh yeah. Oh.
That will be really slippery then.
Yeah.
And you fall.
Oh,
Come here.
I never fall before,
And
but
it's
this
the first
time. Oh.
because you know it's such a rainy day here.
Yeah.
It's been a long rainy
And it's so slippery now.
because of the water.
Yeah.
Be careful there.
Okay then. Let's go.
Let's follow me. Look at it. We got a lot of new variety here,
Oh yeah.
and we also craft some of it.
Okay.
If you're really curious about the crafting video,
Oh yeah.
just check in the next video, guys.
All right.
Just wait our channel to upload the crafting session.
Okay then.
It will be really useful to all of you.
Oh yeah.
Come here.
Really? Oh, interesting, guys.
What else
Oh.
is like there?
Yeah.
Here. Be careful, it's really slippery there.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to see you falling.
Oh, I think you're wrong way.
Oh yeah, it's the wrong way because we got a lot of new roots here. We make it and we haven't cleaned the grass.
Yeah.
So it looks all the same, you know.
Yeah.
Come here. Oh, be careful again.
My
Come
God.
here. You have to be careful there. Just watch the roof.
Yeah, I know that. Oh, here, yeah. Oh,
Come here again.
come on. What will you do with this banana stem?
I have a table here.
Yeah.
So most of my video with using a table, that must be really important, right?
Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah.
Many of our viewers really interesting with our fertilizer.
Mm-hmm.
So that's burning me to make it more.
Oh,
And I'll try it. I never tried this mixture before.
yeah.
And we'll see together, you know.
Okay.
Okay. I need to try to clean all of this upper, or not upper, but front of the stem,
Yeah.
like the skin of it. And I will try to,
You just need 1 kilo, right?
yeah, 1 kilo. And it's already more than 1 kilo, I guess. It's 3 kilos. When I try to, so I'll try to knit this one here. And I will chop it, guys, because it's the main ingredients.
Oh, yeah.
And you know what? My mixer now is almost the same like previous video.
Oh,
It just needs 3 ingredients.
3 ingredients?
That's right.
Oh, so it's
And it
easy to
didn't-
make.
And it didn't even need a EM4.
Oh, we don't need a decomposer like EM4?
That's right. We didn't need it
Why?
because you will know about it, guys. After it, I will explain to you. After I cut this such an oblivion way, such an oblivion thing. Oh, we need like this. It's the stem, right?
Yeah,
It's the cell of the stem.
yeah.
So we needed a lot of it, 1 kilos. And if you can imagine it, guys, it's like cutting a lot of this layer, tons of it, and it makes my muscle giving more strength, getting more strength. Oh, yeah, I got it here. So, oh my God, it's really slippery, guys. Because
Careful with the knife.
of course, like I showed it to you before, it's really sharp, right?
Yeah. Oh, with full power. My gosh. Look at the guy. This guy. Oh. Careful with your hand, guys.
It's perfectly done.
Oh, yeah.
And we save it here for letters.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, we're gonna chop all of it, guys.
Oh, yeah.
So to make it more easier, I will try to cut it from here.
Yeah.
Cut all of the thing like this.
Oh,
It's such a smart way to do it, guys.
yeah.
And if you're still wondering what we're going to make now,
Yeah.
I will make a cytokinin fertilizer.
Cytokinin?
That's right.
Oh, strange.
You
It's
never,
strange, man.
you never knows about it before?
Yeah. I never know. I just ever heard, but I never know how to make it.
Yeah, I will show you how to make it now. It's already 1 kilo, it's more than 1 kilo, I guess, if we chop all of it. So we need the main stem here.
Yeah.
So this one, guys, look at it. It's the upper layer.
Yeah.
We remove all of it.
Okay.
I'm just kidding in the first video, guys. We didn't need that.
You tried to kidding me. I know.
That's right.
I know that.
And you can have, I think you're more smarter now.
Yeah.
Because
I'm always following you.
yeah.
I know your channel is good because you got the new knowledge for everybody.
Everyone. Yeah.
Mhm.
Look at it. We just need this one, guys.
Oh, you just need that.
Yeah. It's the main stem of banana.
Oh.
And also it can be eaten, It's
Mhm.
edible.
Edible?
Yeah, if you didn't believe me, just look at it.
Yeah.
I will try it.
Oh my gosh. You eat it?
No,
Oh. What this?
it tastes like a marshmallow. Not marshmallow, but like a mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
Yeah.
Oh my.
It's crunchy,
Oh.
and it tastes really delicious.
Oh my god. You're really jungle boy.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
I know all of the thing about jungle.
Oh my gosh. You're a jungle boy. You're a real jungle boy.
So we just need the main stem like this, guys.
Mm-hmm.
It's the middle one.
Oh.
And I think we need more than it. So
Yeah.
I'll try to open it more with some easy way.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna cut it from here.
Oh. Yeah, that's right. Oh, nice.
Here. So we just need to peel all of it.
Oh,
like a pepper.
You look more stronger now after you eat.
That's right.
That kind of things.
Because
Oh
nature
my
always
God.
give us anything, you know.
You're
Like-
more strong now, my gosh.
That's right.
After you eat it. You're
I
like
think
a
you're right.
Popeye, beside the jungle man.
I think you're right because when I try to pull it, it's more easier now than
Oh
before.
my gosh.
You think I'm crazy, right? In reality, yes, I'm
Yeah.
crazy. But you know, guys, nature always provides us with anything.
Mm-hmm.
So, have you ever heard about that papaya tree have 1,000 of
Yeah.
benefit?
Yeah.
And this one, every part of this
Banana.
banana can be used as something.
Oh,
Even though the layer like this,
yeah.
it can be used anything. There's some group of people that make crepes from it,
Oh.
like a snack.
Oh,
We fry it
yeah.
up. But
Yeah.
before
Yeah.
that, we need to soak it on a special water, I guess.
Yeah.
I forget how to make it because I never tried before. But they say the taste of it is like a popular snack,
Oh.
like a taro, if you know it.
Yeah. Yeah, I know that. Oh my gosh. You work so fast now.
Yeah. Not like before, right?
Yeah. I don't think that.
I'm becoming Tarzan now. Tarzan with the clothes, like you say.
Tarzan with the clothes.
It's the new innovation that Tarzan using a clothes. You know?
Okay.
This one, oh,
Oh yeah.
look how big it is.
Oh my gosh. What is it? Wow. Yeah.
This one, the main stem,
The main stem.
and we can eat all of it.
My God.
Here.
Oh my gosh.
So now we just need to cut all of it here.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, guys, if you watch the previous video, we didn't need any EM4, right?
Yeah.
Because the microorganism is
Yeah.
already included in the stem.
Oh.
It's almost the same like a pepper
Yeah.
shoot, you know.
Yeah.
It contains a lot of microbes there,
Yeah.
and we
Oh.
just need a sugar or maybe a sweet things
Mm-hmm.
to feed the.
The microorganism, right?
That's right. You already got my point there.
Oh yeah.
You're getting more smarter and smarter. now.
Yeah, of course. I'm learning, you know.
That's why, okay, guys, it's really important that we need to learn every day.
Yeah.
Because every day there must be a lot of new knowledge
Yeah.
that you probably didn't know of.
Yeah.
Just don't feel full of knowledge, guys, because every day must be have a lot of knowledge.
Okay then.
Do not ever embrace yourself.
Mhm.
Just embrace and try to learn something every day,
Yeah.
because that makes you interesting, you know,
Oh
and
yeah.
makes you not getting left by others.
Yeah. All right.
Look at it.
Oh, you work so fast now.
Yeah.
My
I
gosh.
feel like I'm getting a puff, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh. Wow. Wow.
And why my hands moving so fast now? Wait.
Because you eat it, I think.
Yeah. This one. So we just need this little one.
Mm-hmm.
But before I already cut some of the outer layer.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
It's okay.
It's still okay.
It still contain.
Yeah. It still contains of microorganism.
Yeah. That's it. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Look how fast I am now, guys. Just crazy, right?
Right.
Because of the buff of this delicious stem. Like,
Yeah.
can I eat it more?
Oh. Wow. I'm afraid you'll be running from here to home because you have many powerful.
I have many adrenaline now.
Yeah.
Oh, but the taste of it is almost the same. Like, have you ever know about pear, guys?
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like the same like a pear
Mm.
and like an apple.
Oh. Oh.
It tastes like a roast apple.
Roast
I'm gonna lie.
apple? Oh, yeah, yeah, I ever taste that.
Alright. I think it's enough.
Yeah.
So I can eat all of it now.
Oh my God.
Oh,
You have finished it? Oh
Yeah, I
my
finished
god.
it. It can be eaten. It's already being so tough.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Look at it. It's around 1 kilo, guys, or
Okay.
500 grams.
Yeah.
So the next of it,
What is
we
it?
need this one.
Whoa.
Have you ever know about brown
Molasses?
sugar?
Yeah.
Brown sugar is the mixing of a white sugar
And
and what?
why?
You
What?
guess it first.
With white sugar?
No. White sugar being combined with,
I don't know.
you doesn't know about that?
Uh,
With
no.
molasses.
Molasses.
So the
Oh.
brown sugar is almost the same like a white sugar.
Yeah.
It's just more sweeter because the molasses.
Yeah.
So there are many persons that say brown sugar is more healthier, right?
Yeah.
But in reality, it's still the same.
Oh yeah.
We need this one. It's a
Okay.
sweet things.
Sweet
Some
thing.
molasses.
Yeah.
We can also use the sugar there.
Okay.
As long as it's still sweet, guys. So you can use it.
Oh yeah.
So next one,
This is what
mix
is the name
all-
of this fertilizer?
cytokinin.
Cytokinin. Oh my god.
You're probably wondering what's the function of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
It makes it almost the same like auxin.
Oh, like outside.
It teasing the new plant or the new apical things to
Yeah.
be more grow, like a stem, like a new leaf, like a new stem,
Oh.
everything like that.
Oh, everything like that. Oh, so will be combined with outside, right?
That's right. It can be combined with auxin and it will be more powerful, guys.
Oh, it's
Because
double power.
It's overpowered. That's right.
God.
That's the main purpose of this fertilizer, guys.
Yeah.
It teasing the upper stem,
Yeah.
and it also teasing the division of the cell itself.
Mm-hmm.
So the plant will grow more larger, not larger, more longer.
More longer. Yeah, I
Because
see.
apical means the top of it,
Yeah.
like the top of the stem,
Yeah.
the top of the new leaf,
Yeah.
something like that. So it's teasing that growth, guys.
Oh, yeah, I see.
I don't know about that. And
And how much we need to the molasses?
the molasses might be
Yeah.
4 cups of it because it's almost not 4 cups or 3 or 4 cups.
Yeah.
It's almost the same with 250 grams of sugar.
Oh, I just know now. Oh my god.
Because it's really sweet if you know it.
Yeah.
If you want to try it,
Yeah.
it can be eaten, guys.
Oh.
But not this one. This one is function to be a fertilizer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So after this, we're gonna mix it. Try 3.
Oh.
And it's the last one. 4. Oh my god. Look at how thick that is, guys. It must be really sweet, right?
Yeah.
There are many diesel that use some molasses,
Yeah.
and it's more healthier. And after that, we mix it with our hands or with the knife. It's all the same. And also, guys, there's a dosage for it. The first one is the spraying. You haven't know about spraying, right?
Yeah.
I made the video before.
Okay.
The spraying needs around 300, not 300, 200 milliliter per 15 liters. For 15 liters of it. And the watering one, it needs 300 milliliter per 15 liters of water. So
Oh
that's
my
the
gosh.
dosage, guys.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. It's so
Is it dark now?
yeah.
Look at that. After that, we're gonna wrap it in a plastic and
Okay.
we're gonna ferment it. For how long? Just like the same like the previous video.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And after that 2 weeks, I will show you the result of it and we're gonna try it together, right?
Yeah. Okay then.
So see you in the next video, guys. Don't try to be a fool that didn't learn a new knowledge every day.
Yeah.
Be always a learner.
Oh yeah.
From fools and from sages, like the song from Aerosmith,
Yeah.
Dream On.
Dream on.
Dream on. And
Oh.
also learning from fools and from sages.
Oh
That's
yeah.
right. So
That's
you
great.
will be a learner. You must be a learner if you want to achieve something.
Yeah.
So see you in the next video, guys. Hope it's helpful for all of you. See you. Love you.